When we talk about the most beautiful creations in the world, the birds are the only species that are dominating the list. If I ask you a question, which is the most beautiful bird in the world, who could possibly can answer this question? Nobody, because majority of the birds in the world are beautiful. However, some species have definitely some striking features which could possibly outrank the rest. Here is a list of top 9 most beautiful birds in the world. Number 9. With an impressive length of 100 cm, Hyacinth Macaw is the largest of all 5 species of the parrots in the world. Besides the large size, Hyacinth Macaw is famous for their striking cobalt blue plumage with bright yellow rings around the eyes. With proper training, Hyacinth Macaw could be an excellent pet. The Hyacinth Macaw can also be extremely loud when they are in group. Number 8. Waxwing is the medium-sized songbird with distinctive crested head and black mask. They are brownish-gray in overall look and wings have white and yellow edging. The waxwing is among the most beautiful attractive birds. Waxwing inhabit in Canada and Alaska. In winter they migrate in the large flocks to northwest part of United States. They nest on branches of the trees. They mainly feed on insects and berries. Number 7. Duckwood. This bird is very beautiful of its kind, as the male and female have different colors. The male duck has a metallic purplish green head and chest. Their belly is white and chest is dark red. Along the neck they have attractive narrow white strips. Their wings are patterned blue and black. Female ducks are not colorful as males. They have grey-brown head, white belly and breast. Male bird uses their colorful plumage to attract female birds during breeding season. With unique coloration and shape, the wood ducks are one of the most easily recognizable birds in North America. Number 6. Blue jays. Blue jays are one of the most intelligent and beautiful birds in the world. They found across forests of eastern and central North America. The blue jays have stunning blue, white and black plumage. Besides the striking appearance, blue jays are famous for their intelligence. They may steal nestlings and eggs of other birds. Blue jays also mimic the voice of hawks to deceive other birds. Number 5. Atlantic Puffin. Atlantic Puffin is a small, well-adapted seabird that found across the coast of Northern America and eastern Canada. Atlantic Puffin are also known as a sea parrot due to their huge multicolored bill and penguin-like coloration. Atlantic puffins spend most of their lives on a sea. Their water-resistant feature keep their body warm while swimming. They flap their wings to swim on the surface and underwater. Atlantic puffins have excellent diving capability. They can reach up to 60 meters on diving. They typically hunt sand eels. Atlantic puffins are also excellent flyers. They can reach a speed of 55 miles an hour by flapping wings up to 400 times per minute. Atlantic puffin can load between 10 to 30 fishes in their huge beaks. Number 4. Keel-billed toucan. Keel-billed toucan is among the birds with most amazing bills in the world. They have huge multicolored beaks that will reach up to 20 centimeters in length. Due to their colorful bill, keel-billed toucan is also known as rainbow-billed toucan. Their beak is a mixture of green, red, and yellow colors. They use this large colorful beak as a defensive weapon. There are some rumors that this species is endangered, but there is no reality there. They have a length of 20 cm and weigh up to 4 kg. Their plumage is mostly black with a yellow throat and chest. Keel-billed toucan are poor flyers due to their heavy wings. They can only move between the tree branches by hopping. Their diet mainly consists of insects, lizards, and eggs. Number 3. Peacock. Peacock is the name of the male bird of peafowl family. There are 3 different types of peafowls in the world: Indian, Congo, and green peafowls. The Indian peafowl are the most common type of peafowl found around the world. Peacock male birds are renowned for their colorful display of the colored tail feature. Peacocks can grow up to 5 feet in length, which make it one of the largest flying birds in the world. In fact, the long tail of peacock makes 60% of its total length. The colorful tail feature display of peacock is probably the most beautiful courtship display among bird family. On courtship day, peacock spread out its enormous tail feature to display the colorful pattern and eye spots. Some peacocks have a lengthy tail and more eye spots than others. The female peafowl or peahen is also choose a peacock with a lengthy tail and more eye spots. Depending on the angle of reflection of light, color of tail features of peacock look different. Number 2. Flamingo. Flamingo is probably the most recognizable wedding bird in the world. The stunning red-purple colored plumage itself makes flamingo so special among birds. There are 6 different species of flamingos in the world. They found on every continent except Antarctica. An adult flamingo measures up to 4 feet in length and up to 3.6 kg in weight. Their neck is long and lean and has a distinctive downward bent beak. The legs of flamingo are also very long and measure between 30 to 50 inches. Flamingo live in a large colonies that include thousands of members. Their striking red-purple color is due to the food they eat. Their diet mainly consists of brine shrimps, planktons, and blue-green algae. When we talk about the beautiful birds, then macaw family will be there. I would rank Scarlet Macaw as one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Scarlet Macaw is the one of the most largest member of macaw family. They inhabit in humid evergreen forest across Central and South America. They are famous for their colorful plumage. They have bright red plumage with a blue back. Their upper wings are yellow and edged with green color. The strong curved beak is another noticeable feature of Scarlet Macaw. Its upper part is white and tip is black. An adult Scarlet Macaw has a length between 80 to 90 centimeters and weigh up to 1.5 kg. They are excellent flyers and can reach up to speed of 35 meters per hour. Scarlet macaws live for a long time. They have a lifespan of 40 to 50 years. It is said to be that scarlet macaws in captivity can live up to 75 years. The magnificent scarlet macaw is also among the most intelligent birds in the world. In captivity, they can easily learn words, sound, and tricks. It is said to be well-trained. Scarlet macaw could even distinguish the colors and the shapes. Scarlet macaws are also very loud parrots. Their diet mainly consists of seeds, nuts, fruits, and insects. With the strong curved beak, Scarlet Macaw can easily break any nuts. I hope you like our video. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel, and we will back with an amazing video. Stay safe and stay happy.